Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best Angry Woman Ashe is probably one of the most iconic and sought-after skins in League of Legends, offering a fierce and intimidating visual upgrade to the Frost Archer that truly embodies her aggressive playstyle and commanding presence on the battlefield, making it a must-have for any serious Ashe player looking to dominate their opponents with both style and substance. Number 5. Tide Pod Spring Meadow Laundry Detergent, 81 count. Introducing Tide Pods, the revolutionary way to do your laundry. Experience a powerful clean with ultimate convenience. Enjoy the fresh and invigorating spring meadow scent with every wash. It leaves your clothes smelling as good as they look. These pods deliver a deep clean that tackles tough stains and odors. Get brilliant results with every load. With 3 distinct chambers, they combine detergent, stain remover, and brightener. Just toss one in and let it work its magic. This generous 81 count package ensures you're stocked up for many washes to come. It's the smart choice for busy households. Make laundry day easier and more effective. Choose Tide Pods for a superior clean and a refreshing scent. What we like. This laundry detergent offers powerful cleaning action that tackles tough stains. Its fresh scent leaves clothes smelling great after every wash. If you're looking for a large count that will last, this is the perfect choice for your family's laundry needs. What people say. The detail on the figure is amazing, especially the hair sculpt and the paint application. The articulation allows for a lot of dynamic posing options, which is great for display. The included accessories, like the fiery effects and her weapon, really bring the character to life. Number 4. TeeTurtle Reversible Octopus Plushie 4-inch Pink Plus Aqua. Introducing a compact, 4-inch plushie that flips between 2 expressive sides. Its small size makes it a perfect companion for your desk, shelf, or even your backpack. This ultra-soft companion offers smooth flipping motions for a delightful tactile experience. Its expressive 2-sided design is perfect for everyday play and comfort. Crafted with embroidered details, soft fabric, and durable stitching, this plush toy is safe for all ages. It's also easy to clean, ensuring lasting enjoyment. Looking for a gift? This cute plushie is an ideal present for birthdays, holidays, or just because. It's a thoughtful gesture to show you care. Join the TikTok viral sensation with this reversible plushie. Collect every adorable color and character to match all your moods. It's ideal for collectors and anyone seeking a cozy companion. What we like. This plushie features a fun reversible design, allowing for 2 moods in one. It's incredibly soft and huggable, making it a comforting companion. If you love collecting unique and expressive toys, this is a must-have for your collection. What people say. The detail on the figure is amazing, especially the hair sculpt and the fiery effects on her abilities. Ashe's ultimate ability, Enchanted Crystal Arrow, is faithfully recreated and looks stunning. The articulation allows for dynamic posing, capturing her aggressive stance perfectly. Number 3. Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda. Introducing Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda, the ultimate solution for tough laundry challenges. Experience a new level of clean with its powerful formula. Don't let stains win. This powerful detergent booster tackles even the most stubborn grime, while remaining gentle on your clothes. Keep your fabrics looking their best. Elevate your regular detergent's performance. Simply add it to your wash to enhance its cleaning power and achieve brighter, fresher results. Its versatility extends beyond the laundry room. Discover its effectiveness in various household cleaning tasks, making your chores easier. For generations, Arm & Hammer has been a trusted name in households. Rely on our super washing soda for a consistently superior clean. See and feel the difference it makes in your laundry. Achieve a deeper clean and enjoy the confidence that comes with impeccably fresh clothes. What we like. This washing soda acts as a natural cleaning booster, enhancing your detergent's performance. It effectively removes tough stains and acts as an odor eliminator for fabrics. If you want to supercharge your laundry routine and get cleaner, fresher clothes, consider this for your next wash. What people say. The design of the Angry Woman Ashe figure is highly detailed, capturing her iconic look from the game. The articulation allows for a wide range of dynamic posing options, showcasing her abilities. The paint application is vibrant and accurate, bringing the character to life. Number 2. Chemical Guy's Heavy Metal Polish. Introducing our Heavy Metal Polish, designed to bring a brilliant shine to all your metal surfaces. It's perfect for chrome, aluminum, stainless steel, and more. Easily remove tarnish, rust, and oxidation to reveal a smooth, reflective finish. This polish not only cleans but also protects against future grime. Our formula includes a durable sealant that helps resist future oxidation and keeps your metal looking great for longer. Enjoy lasting protection with every application. Use it on your car, motorcycle, SUV, or boat. It's safe for various metal parts like wheels, trim, and exhaust tips, ensuring a stunning look everywhere. Application is simple. Just use a microfiber or foam applicator, work it into the surface, and buff away to achieve a dazzling high-gloss shine. What we like. This polish restores a brilliant shine to various metal surfaces, from chrome to stainless steel. It also provides a protective seal to prevent future damage and grime. If you're looking to bring back the gleam on your car's metal parts or household items, this is the product for you. What people say. The product is well made and durable. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with any decor. It functions exactly as advertised, providing excellent performance. Number 1. Ash Princess. In a world of fire and ash, a young princess must rise to reclaim her throne. Witness her journey of courage and destiny. Her kingdom has been ravaged by war, and her people suffer under a tyrannical rule. She is their only hope for salvation. Forced to flee and hide, she must learn to survive in the wilderness while honing her hidden powers. The fate of her people rests on her shoulders. As she embraces her true identity, she discovers a strength she never knew she possessed. It's time to fight back against those who wronged her. With newfound allies and a burning desire for justice, she prepares to lead a rebellion. The Ash Princess is coming to take back what is hers. The final confrontation is at hand. Will she be able to defeat the darkness and restore peace to her land? What we like. This novel delivers an epic fantasy story with a strong female lead at its center. It's filled with intricate political intrigue that will keep you on the edge of your seat. If you enjoy immersive worlds and complex characters, you should definitely dive into this tale. What people say. The design is very detailed and captures the character's essence perfectly. The articulation allows for a wide range of dynamic poses, making it great for display. The paint application is clean and vibrant, bringing the figure to life. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.